Hello everybody and welcome back to the Cryptic Crypto YouTube channel, home of daily cryptocurrency news and market updates. Please remember that I am not a financial advisor and everything I say is just for educational and entertainment purposes only. Now jumping into things here, today was a huge day for the cryptocurrency market as we saw a huge green upside this morning, turning into the afternoon where a lot of the market decided to bleed red following Bitcoin back down to that $36,200 range. But overall, that just kind of shows how volatile these cryptocurrency markets can be in the long term and even in the short term. Now starting things off today, we got coins sitting at 10,842 total cryptocurrencies. We got exchanges sitting just at 930 evenly. We got a market cap of $1.46 trillion, which is up 3.5% on the day, which also goes to show that we might maybe be starting out the bull market this year already. We got Bitcoin dominance down to 49.4%, which kind of just shows a little bit of the altcoin season that we're currently seeing with coins like Chainlink and Ethereum today running a lot. We're going to be talking about Ethereum a little bit later as it has gotten a lot of news today that's pushed the price to go over $2,100, which is very nice and very bullish for it. We also see the Ethereum market cap sitting at 17.5%, which is obviously up from yesterday. Moving on here, we got Bitcoin sitting at $36,860 right now. It hit all the way up to, I believe it just flirted a little bit with $38,000, didn't quite make it, and then it had that huge red candlestick. We got Ethereum holding above $2,100 right now, up 10.5% on the day and 18.5% on the week, and it's got a huge upwards trend still pushing. It's great to see where that's going to be going in the next couple of days here. Moving on, one of the only cryptocurrencies today that did not really perform too great was XRP, dropping down 3.2% on the day, but still with that 12% gain on the week right now. Moving through, we kind of saw Cardano and Dogecoin both retrace after their big pumps from yesterday, as well as Chainlink just kind of sitting at that $14.50 range. It did pump all the way up to $16 this morning, which is pretty insane, but then shortly after dropped down all the way to $13 and about 80-cent range, and now we're just kind of consolidating at that $14.58 mark. Moving on over here, we got 35% gain for Kujira, which I'm not really sure. I don't know very much about that project. If any of you guys know anything about it, let me know if it's something that I should look into a little bit more. We got 35% up on Kujira on the daily. We got 20.7% up on Rocket Pool on the daily, 20.6% up on Lido. Thorchain, I know I got a couple big Thorchain fans here, as well as Illuvium. Illuvium was one that I heard people talking about, and it did end up pumping. I did miss out on that. I wasn't a holder of Illuvium, unfortunately, but you can't win them all, I guess. Moving on down through the market, we got Optimism up 15.1% today, as well as Kaspa up 15.2% today. I know we got a lot of people out here that are very much enjoyers of Kaspa. And then another kind of weird one on the list here is Ethereum Classic up 13.5% today, which is a big gain for Ethereum Classic. Usually it doesn't see that big of a gain. And then the big one, Ethereum, which is the second biggest cryptocurrency, up 10.6% today, which is really insane for a cryptocurrency with the same market cap as Ethereum. And it's probably just up that because there's been a lot of news today about like a BlackRock ETF coming out. We're going to read you some of that a little bit later in the video, as well as Ethereum just being able to hold over some key resistance marks at $1,900 and above $1,900. Moving on over here, we didn't have that many coins going down today. We got Conflux down 7.7%. We got Toncoin, which is kind of a bigger one, down 8.1%, which is kind of unfortunate. Trust Wallet kind of following in that 6.9%, pretty much just down based on the rumors that we heard around the news about it. Bitcoin SV, nobody really cares about that. Cash, we got Aave down after its big pump yesterday, and that's pretty much it. Injective is also down after its big pump yesterday, but only 4.4%. That's pretty much it for the down market. We're going to move on over to the news section now. So as I've been talking about, Ethereum has been up over 10% today, which is insane on any big cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or even Ethereum with such high market caps. Ethereum crosses a key price level is a new rally in the works. Ethereum has been exhibiting a promising performance over the week as its price remained above the $1,900 mark. Sitting above this key resistance allows for the token's price to surge over 4%. Ethereum's been one during these last pumps that we haven't really seen a bunch of volatility going on the upward side. It's more so just been consolidating, which is really weird because usually ETH outperforms Bitcoin, and up until this point ETH has been way behind Bitcoin. So just seeing this pump is really nice in the market. High selling pressure can cause ETH's price to plummet and in turn put an end to the token's bull rally. So it's important to note that although we saw this huge price increase in Ethereum, it isn't just going to go up. We will probably see a retrace, probably back down to that $1,900 or that $1,820 resistance support line. We also saw today that BlackRock filed to launch an Ethereum Trust ETF on the NASDAQ. This could be a big play in why Ethereum's price is hiking. It's going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing. BlackRock dives deeper into crypto with Ethereum ETF plan amid regulatory clarity. After registering its iShares Ethereum Trust with the Division of Corporations in Delaware, the world's largest asset manager submitted a 19B4 registration to the U.S. Securities Regulatory, also known as the SEC. The trust is designed to mirror the performance of Ethereum's price, accounting for expenses and liabilities. Do you guys think the Ethereum Trust ETF will be bullish or bearish towards the cryptocurrency market? Following the news of the ETF on platforms such as X, Ethereum saw a price surge of over 13% against the US dollar. The price ended up surging from $18.85 to a peak of $21.35 per around 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on November 9th of 2023. Also in the news today, a senator introduces Keeper Coins Act to protect rights to use self-hosted wallets. The Keeper Coins Act has been introduced in the Senate to allow individuals to maintain custody of their cryptocurrencies in self-hosted wallets. The bill also seeks to prohibit federal agencies from proposing a rule that would impair a person's ability to act as a self-custodian of digital assets. Senator Ted Budd announced Tuesday that he has introduced the Keep Your Coins Act, which would protect an individual's right to conduct transactions with cryptocurrency assets without the need to utilize a third-party intermediary. Specifically, the bill seeks to prohibit federal agencies from restricting the use of a convertible virtual currency by a person to purchase goods or services for the person's own use and for other purposes. That's all the news we got for today. Do you guys think Ethereum is going to keep running past $2,100? Do you think it's going to consolidate at that $2,100 range? Or do you think we're going to see a little bit of a retrace towards the downside? Thank you all for watching, and if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to the video.